Good morning. Been up all morning. Been just messing around, I guess. Haven't been making money. I got screwed here. And let me see. Let's get these things off the stuff here. Let's see. Let's get that gone. Let's get that gone. There you go. Let's make sure this is lined up. It's lined up. Okay, good. So as you can see, messing around PBM. I got in, didn't get out. CMND. Had a chance to get out, didn't get out. But, hey man, stupid is as stupid does, right? Uh, I was literally laughing my ass off when this shit just decided to tank on me here. But here's the fun part. You want to hear the fun part? The fun part is that there's only one way of looking at how shitty my trading is. This month, last month, the month before, the month before that. I've been way too fucking emotional, way too tired. Uh, Taking care of Uncle is definitely messing with my mojo. But the good thing is I love him and I'm gonna be there for him no matter what. Um, so I've been working on a couple things, and had a talk with my buddy on my mama there. And yeah, that was cool. Haven't talked to him for a while, so that was cool catching up a little bit. Um, but yeah, so I'm still in these. I posted on the Discord over the weekend that Trump signed an executive order to basically allow research on psychedelic drugs. Um, that's just the news. That's it. So thinking, one step ahead, CMND, clear mind medicine, and then science, biomedical. Hey, good ideas. Let's see what happens. So that's what we're doing here. So yeah, I'm in those. Currently, the way that my day is looking, I am down $304 at the moment, down 84 on CMND, down 97 on PBM, down IFRX. I held over the weekend, and IFRX did absolute dog shit, didn't do anything. And then currently, I'm also holding. Hey, good morning, Night Owl. Currently, I'm also holding ISPC. Absolute dog shit, not doing anything. It's just I you can call me Jinxie right now. I'll be Jinxie. But the good thing is I did a little rundown on how the watch list did and how the Discord alerts did. And well, let me just share that with you guys real quick. So here is the website, jrockstocks.com, right? There's 99 reviews there. Read those if you're curious. But you go up here to the track record, you click on that. I updated it. So this is the track record from the week of April 13th through the 17th. These are weekly Discord alerts, results, and live alerts are in here as well. And so what happened? I gave about 40 alerts. 33 of them hit take profit one. That puts me about at 82.5% accuracy. Average move is about 29.4%. And these were the top runners from last week. Okay, so and these go from pretty much from entry to the high of the day. All right, here's my accuracy on Weeble. There's that. I'm about 76.95% accurate on Weeble. I've predicted 1,293 stocks and I've hit 995 of them. So there's how many watch lists shit, I did I update that? April 17th. Yeah, I must have. Okay. Yeah, so 443 watch lists put out to date. Accuracies up from 76.65. And here's my receipts. These are the receipts. Okay, these receipts are what the watch list was on April 17th, what the watch list was on April 16th. Da 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 da. And this is basically going all the way down to April 9th, so that you guys have it, so you guys understand, so you guys see, so you see the value there. And that's it. Here's the pricing for all that good stuff. Watch list is 50% off. It used to be $39.99 just for the watch list. Now it's $19.99. You only get the watch list, and that's it. Full access, you get the watch list and the Discord live trading room. That's $59.99 a month. And then there's just the live trading room. Basically, do the lives. I post the tickers like I just showed you on track record in there. And then if you want to sign up for the year, 1 year full access, $569.90. All right. So there you go. That's that. Jrockstocks.com. All right. Where are we at? Well, look at that. They're identical. One's down $93, the other one's down $92. It's pretty funny, isn't it? But this is also a good thing to take a look at. Like, and I keep saying this. I really dislike when people copy trade. Um, it's not a very good way of doing it. And so, you know, sometimes I fuck around and I don't want you guys to copy trade. That's why sometimes I fuck around. And I do it quite a bit. There's times where I'm spot on and really executing well and sticking to my rules and guidelines. And then there's other times where I just kind of fall off the hinge. Like today. Today I've fallen off the hinge. I said, okay, you know what, we're gonna go with these. And I mean, look at my position size: 400 there, 40 there. That's a little heavy. That's a little heavy for just an executive order. This isn't even saying that, hey, there's 8 FDA fast track on some psychedelic medication, you know. So it's kind of a dumb way to play the market. Let's just say that. But I'm here for you guys. If you guys need anything, let me know. I'm gonna keep on searching here. TOVX. That's another one that was a really solid idea for today. BNBX. Yeah, that was last week. Last week I posted BNBX, but yeah, it popped up again today. It's at 86 cents, I believe. Um, Hang on, let me write something on the Discord here. There we go. All right. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Remember, I go live on TikTok Monday through Friday, Pacific Standard Time. Uh, what did I just say? Shit. Sorry. My just shit keeps popping up all over my screens. CMND coming back up a little bit here. I wouldn't trust it unless it gets back over $1.17, to be honest. Just saying. That yellow line there, that is the volume weighted average price. And for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason the VWAP is not showing on the screen here. Usually it'll say up in the upper right hand corner, the yellow thing is volume weighted average price, just so no one gets it twisted. Oh boy. So yeah, so let's see what happens here. Hopefully ISPC wants to turn around for me and IFRX wants to go ahead and gap up. And then these little guys right here want to move a little bit for me today. And then hey, we could go red to green in no time. Let's see what else is moving here. And TOVX. That's a good little mover there. So the watch list is doing pretty good this morning. Pretty good this morning. Haven't seen that one yet. Haven't seen that one fire off yet. I'm not going to mention it. So you see how TOVX bounced off the red line here, bounced off the red line here, yellow line there, a little bit of yellow there. So this is losing a little bit of traction here, but it is still in an uptrend. It's still moving in the right direction. Oh, we are having a green day, and that's that. Damn straight. Yo, what's up, two down? I'm looking. Let's put BNBX right here. All right, so we're still looking here. We'll see if we can find something rather. On B, see, why is that popping up VWAP right there? That's so weird. You know, I'm gonna restart the live. I don't know what the hell's going on here with this, and my comments are frozen on my platform. So I'm just gonna restart the live real quick on TikTok here. Sorry, guys. CMND, guys. Look at CMND for you that are on YouTube there. Let's see if this works now. There we go. All right, cool. That unfroze. Look at CMND coming back up for me here. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, we're back live on TikTok. Now it's fixed itself, so that's good. Come on, CMND. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get green. And just like that, this one turned around for me here. All right. Hey, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, there we go. We're all good now. Sweet. Come on. Come on, CNMD. CMND. Jesus. My little clear mind. All right, so now I would take it seriously. Like now it's above volume weighted average price. Now I'd kind of wait and see where it wants to go. I mean, first stop on this thing, obviously, probably somewhere around 32 cents. That's what I'd say right there after this big old fucking teardown right there. I'd say 32 cents is probably going to be your first take profit on this on the live. That's probably your first take profit right there. Okay, your next take profit after that's probably going to be about 52. Right about there. Now I'm not following my rules, right? I'm not sticking to that, right? Because I think there's a possibility that it's going to get a little higher. I didn't hold it through being down $100 to just, take 17 bucks. And that's just me being crazy. Okay, so right now it's do nothing time. So right now it's just do nothing time. And I'm also, just so you guys know, I'm also testing the program again. Yep, I got re-inspired to play with my program. So hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let people know that I'm on, because me coming on and off because TikTok was screwing up there. This TikTok Studio program was screwing up. Um, yeah, let people know I'm back on. Hit the share, the like, the follow, and all that good stuff. And remember, guys, take profits. Don't do what I do, because, like I said, I fuck around and I find out. Again, if you guys want live trading after 5 a.m., then you go to the Discord. That's only $39.99 a month. If you want the watch list, that's $19.99 a month. If you want to just test me out, see how things are, you can use any one of those plans. They're very inexpensive. But so far, the little tweak I did on my little program. This is Weeble, YBG Jojo, YBG Jojo. Yeah, this is Weeble. I recommend it. It's easy to use. It's fun to use. What do we got here? 4 minutes ago, Clear Mind Medicine announced positive top-line safety results. CMND 100 proprietary psychedelic treatment meets primary endpoint in AUD trial. Sweet. I am holding on for dear life. If you want to see my targets, the ones that I'm going to stick to right now, these are my targets. They're crazy. I know it. I know they are, but that's what I'm sticking to. Let's see if it happens. If not, hey, shit happens. But you know, again, don't copy my trades. Just stick to your own plan, right? That's how you should do it. So there it is. There's take profit one. We're almost there. We're at 27 cents. The tape's looking pretty good so far. L2's looking pretty good. We've got a bunch of bulls sitting at 122. We've got a bunch of bears sitting at 130. Actually 125 through 130. A bunch of bears. No big deal. Community's growing slowly but surely. So if you guys want to be able to talk to someone and ask questions while you're learning, man, JTAI blowing up right now. It's at 860, 848 right now. JTAI. I'll put it over here. JTAI. I don't touch JTAI. That is just not a stock for me, unfortunately. I think she's got chlamydia or something. I don't know. Come on, CMND. Let's go. Break on through 32, get 52 again, and continue up to a new high. Let's go. I'm looking for the gap. There was a gap here before. What's happened before could happen again. ENVB. Did I see that right? Yeah, ENVB popping up right now as well. I'm not going to give targets on JTAI. I'm not happy about JTAI, but ENVB, this one's been a previous runner. This one's been fun. All right, let's see if the program's right. Yep, says wait, do nothing. Okay, waiting, doing nothing on CMND. Oh man, trusting this thing is hard. It's made me a lot of money when it was working, and then it lost me a lot of money. There's your target on ENVB. This is your target right here. There's your TP1, 367. That's a big target, isn't it? Let's see what happens. Let's see. There's 290 on ENVB. Target 375. Let's go. Or 367, sorry. 367 is your target on ENVB. And then you got a gap at 504. There you go. There's 305. Come on, baby. You can keep going. Don't you stop. Don't you worry about it. Look at those bids just stacking up. Bids are stacking. The asks are not, which is fantastic. CMND, I'm watching it. I'm still watching it. It's all right, whatever. Oh, there you go. Program set exit. Damn. All right. I didn't exit. I'm not planning on exiting yet. Not planning on exiting, even though it's in a downtrend. It's like a 5-minute downtrend, consistent. There's 330 on ENVB. I told you guys. Yep. I'm already spread too thin. I have way too many stocks that I'm watching right now. There's 345. Alerted at 265. Alerted back here. If you caught it, if you saw me alert it, throw some fireballs in the chat. If you heard it, there you go. There's TP1. Boom, shakalaka. How you doing? How you doing? Huh? Don't forget to take your profits, guys. There's 410. Going to 504. That is your next target. 504 ENVB. There is news. Psychedelic. There you go. Again, right there. I told you guys on my mama. I told you. I told you psychedelics. And there they are. It's a psychedelic Monday. It is 420. Also adds on to that psychedelic stuff there. There's 440. This is going to 504. Not guaranteed because nothing in the stock market is guaranteed. But again, for some reason, I don't know. When I was born, God shoved a crystal ball up my ass, and I can call out targets like no one else. Only problem is God also gave me a shit ton of emotions that screw my trading pretty badly. Oh man, no one caught that? There's no fireballs in the chat? Holy shit, no one caught that, huh? All right. Well, I'll just add it to the alerts for the day. 420 alerts. ENVB. E2. We'll just do 270 because I think it was like 265 or something. TP1. 365. What was that? 367, I think. 367. TP2. 504. All right. If I do this now, then I don't have to do it later. Where's engineering today? Is his day 420? Yes, it is. He was in the Discord today. And yep, he was all excited because it's 420. Look at that. We got 40 people in here. Let's go, guys. Keep on keeping on. Hit the like, the follow, the share. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, once I get this program dialed in, it's fucking gonna be sick. I mean, it's already looking better. I just gotta tighten the screws on it. Just gotta tighten the screws. Thank you, Doug Funny, for sharing the live. Appreciate you. All right, we're starting to we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. We are now only losing 200 bucks. We were losing quite a bit, but IFRX came up for me a little bit here. I'm up 28 bucks on that when I was down about 30 on IFRX. CMND's coming up for me. Now all I need is PBM and we'll be solid. Look at this go. Look at this. All right, TP1. There we go. There's TP1 on CMND from this downtrend, this frickin' waste of space right here. ENVB taking a break back down to 320. Come on, let's see 132, then see 152, and fill that 219 previous gap there. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking for. Now, don't be fooled. CMND, they're not the best company to put any kind of you know put any tokens on or anything like that. Hey, there's SPRC. SPRC. I saw that pop up there for a minute. There it is. All right. What was my alert on that? I alerted SPRC this morning. Early, guys, early. SPRC, there we go. 480 to 510. Where's SPRC? Where is it at right now? Let's put it right here on ENVB. And there you go. There's SPRC. And just so you guys can see my alert, I'll show you this is what the Discord gets. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Oh, where'd it go? Ah, shit. Hang on. Hang on. The damn son of a gun. All right, let's see if I can get this thing to downsize so I can share it with you guys. So here you go. There's my alert at 1:30 a.m. SPRC needs volume. Entry 485.10. Can you guys see that? Yep, right there. Take profit 1,560, take profit 2,640. Where is SPRC right now? 619. It hit 619, guys, on a 1-minute chart. Look at that. The alert was fire. Boom. I mean, shoot, 480 to 510. It hit 619. You got yourself a whole dollar. Boom. How you like them apples? And that's what you get when you sign up for the live trading room. That's what you get. You get alerts like that. Okay. Okay. So there you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Anybody catch that alert from the Discord? Anybody? Oh, come on. Go CMND. Let's go. You look like you want it. You look like you want that first target there. There's 30. There's 31. Oh, there's 31. Oh, there's 31. Come on. Ah, man. I see you trying. The bids and the asks are just kind of leveling out right now. There's 31. Ah, so much fun. SPRC taking a break. Or people are just taking some profits and the algorithms are jumping on it. All right, so now I'm only down $174. Let's see, how's PBM doing for me? Still looking pretty bad. Yeah, still looking pretty bad, 116. But as long as it holds the red line, I'll be okay, I think. We'll see. 2 down. It hit. Yes, it did. Yay. Yay, go me, go me. Oh, man. I'm just having fun. This needs to go. This needs to go the opposite direction. Could it be doing a weird looking double bottom? Sure, it's PBM. It's ran before. There's a lot of bag holders sitting up there. There's a lot of bag holders sitting up here. So it's going to function the way it does. Let's see a 30-minute real quick on PBM. Look how many times it's been there. See? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. All right, so PBM, how many times has it been up at that $13 range? Am I confusing it with something? Yeah, there we go. Sweet. There we go. There she is. So look at this. Look at what she's done before. All right, she's bounced around here before. She hit there, she hit there, she tried there. And then right over here, she ran to 24 bucks. And then she took a long pause, long pause. And right there, she got to 11.99. The NVB still pumping. No, it's actually just kind of sitting right now. ENVB, CMND coming back down. That's good. System says exit. That's awesome. This is all live trial and error. So we'll see what it does. But I'm going to get this thing to override my emotions because my emotions aren't working. As a nasty looking, weird looking double top, or some would say this is an inverted saggy booby pattern. Oh, come on. I'm not fooled. I'm not scared. I'm going to hold on for dear life and see where it takes me. MACD's turning red. Nice little push up there. We'll see. Where's ENVB doing? Where are we at? There we go. Back in the fours. Here we go. Let's get that 504 ENVB. After 504, you got 560. Come on, baby. And ENVB trying. It is trying. Could this be a double top? Very much so. Oh man, chat's been kind of quiet. No questions. That's cool. I don't mind. I don't mind. That's cool. And just so I can entice you guys a little bit, I want to show you what I've been working on here real quick. Real quick. It's going to be quick, okay? So don't get excited. Hang on. Now let me make it a little smaller so it fits on the chart here. Here you go. This is what I've been working on. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I've been working on. You see this right here? Red, protect money. Yeah, that's what it's saying right there. And look, it said go, and then it said exit, and it said go, and then it said exit. It's pretty cool. When this thing starts working the way I want it to, it's gonna be fucking amazing. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Ah, so what I was working on before on Thinkorswim, I took it over into TradingView, worked on it. At one point, I went from 200 bucks to 1,700 bucks on the oh, look at that, cup and handle, maybe working out on ENVB. Cup and handle working out. If this is the cup and handle and it is working out, then you got your 504 because it looks like it's pushing. All right, yeah. So I was working on Thinkorswim, working on this program, and it got me up to 1,700 bucks, but then for some reason it stopped working and it started failing and failing and failing, and got my account back down to about 132. So trial and error, trial and error. And that's the trading view, or not the trading view account. That's the Thinkorswim. But once it works, it'll be great. Hopefully this isn't a weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern here that we're playing with. Oh, so that would have worked. See that signal, that exit was a good exit signal there. And I do note these things. I've got a little pad here that I note what worked and what didn't. And whenever you purchase in a stock, whenever you jump in a stock, it saves that order, so you could always check your orders. Where'd I buy? Where'd I sell? That kind of stuff. Back testing, fantastic. Yeah. I think it worked on. Oh man, check out Bird. Bird's making runs again. BIRD 1238 right now. BIRD. Here's BIRD. Tweet tweet. There's BIRD making nice little highs and higher lows. So if Bird wants to push through this, you got 1392. That's your first target on Bird. 1392. Mouse cord is starting to annoy me right now. Oh, and if you guys are ever curious what a good setup is for trading, I recommend a wired mouse and a wired keyboard. Back in the day when I used to use just a Bluetooth mouse and a Bluetooth keyboard, when one died, you are screwed. You cannot get out of the stock, and then you're screwed unless you either charge your stuff or get new batteries. Because yeah, fun. You guys should have seen me the first time that happened. Your shit dies on you, you start freaking out. You're like, oh my God, I'm in this trade. I gotta get out. Oh no. I haven't seen Debbie yell at me yet, which is weird. Yeah, be careful with the SILO. Yeah, that one. I didn't alert that one. I saw it run and then dump. I didn't alert. I didn't feel good about SILO. If you guys don't know, I'm also switched to the phone fast. LOL. I've had PC problems and had to do that. Risky. Yeah, I've done that before. I didn't because you said you had a plan. Okay, I like that. That's good to know. I've got a plan. It's just watching and waiting at the moment. CMND, watching and waiting. The program gave me 3 good goes and 3 good exits. So that's firing really well on CNMD. CMND. Right now it says wait, do nothing. It's gonna be fun. When this thing works, it's gonna be fun. And it unfortunately it's gonna take a lot of testing before I put it out there for you guys. Man, ISPC's killing me. Ugh. Ugh. Come on, baby. Get up there. Come on, ENVB. Get up there. Ah. Do 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 do. Keep an eye on GFAI. What's up, Tommy Gunn? Today's definitely one of those days where you gotta add a little more caution to your game plan. It seems like there are just a little bit more pump and dumpers than there usually are in the market. Iron, Iron, why Iron? Jennifer. Oh, God dang. Hmm. Come on, flip, flip, MACD, flip. Tommy Gunn, chill, my brother. What do you mean? Oh, you're chilling? Come on, guys, hit the like, the follow, the share. Let people know I'm on. I had to reset the TikTok studio because it was malfunctioning on my side. Comments were coming in really late, and yeah, I couldn't see anything really. Everything was kind of frozen. All right. See, now it's telling me exit. What in the heck is going on? Come on. Hmm. Come on, PBM. Get back up. Break 15. The NVB is kind of stalling out. The thing didn't work out. Here's PBM trying again, trying at that volume weighted average price. Again, I believe PBM has a possibility of breaking out. I think it's going to be market open. I'm holding on. I'm holding on to PBM. I'm holding on to CMND. Unless CMND wants to hit my targets, then I'm just holding on to that for a minute. We'll see what happens when market opens. You need WW? Why do I need WW? Or I need a win-win? I need a win-win. I do need a win-win. I'm having fun. I'm just having fun right now. I'm not seeing much else moving. I don't trust FCHL. I've already had 3 cups of coffee. I've been up since 12:30. I got like no sleep. I'm not talking about weak cups of coffee either. I'm talking about Death Wish coffee. Frick. Oh, some of you might actually give a shit. My weight loss journey, guys, now it's been 20 days, no alcohol, no unhealthy food, just sticking to a very solid diet. Um, I went from 260 to weighing myself on Saturday to weigh in freaking 243 pounds. From 260 to 243 in 18 days. And I'm not starving. I'm eating good. I'm eating meat. I'm eating what I want. I really don't eat a lot of bread. I'm not into it, but the no apple juice is definitely helping out. And I gotta say, it's probably helping me out with my program too. Just trying to get it going. My autoimmune disease has definitely taken a break. It's not killing me anymore. No meds. Nope. Zero meds. The only thing I take is baby aspirin. That's it. All right, come on, CMND. Let's go. Break through here. Break through. God dang, allergies are killing me. Break on through. There we go. Here comes 32 again. PBM. Let's go. You need to wake the hell up. I'm down 203 from 230 on the cancer day. I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yep. At a certain point, when I hit 260, the heaviest I've ever been, yeah, I said, I got to stop. I got to figure this crap out. ENVB 377, PBM trying a little bit, CMND trying a little bit, trying to flip that MACD. CMND. Once it flips it, then I think we'll have our 152 once it flips this MACD over. Brian Hilo still trading. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. See right now, the program said go. Trend up on CMND. So let's see. Let's see when it throws out a stop. So basically 120, 123 it said go. Still go. It's saying do nothing right now. After it said go, it's saying do nothing. What's my tape showing me on CMND here? Man, those asks are stacked. 7,400 at 127. That's why it's stuck there right now. The bulls are trying to eat it up, but there's a lot of it. Still says do nothing after the go. It says do nothing. So you want to fire up? There you go. Just fired off an exit. Said nope. That's a fake out breakout right there. You got your MACD coming up to make it look like it's crossing over. But if you were looking at your level 2, you would have seen the asks stack up and the bids just kind of hang on. The program said it saw it, and there you go. Fred Flintstone. I don't like SILO. That one there, no bueno, my friend. Here you go. Here's SILO. Under the yellow line, under the 200, probably going to bump its head on the 200 again. As you can see, it did it here. Probably going to do it here again. If it doesn't, if it breaks through here, it'll bump its head on the volume weighted average price. It's got news, highlights, SP, PTSD program after Trump order. See, a lot of these it's the same news. It's the same news, Trump stuff. But look what it did here. Look at this. I was gonna alert it right in here, and then I said nope. I don't have the confidence in it. 15 million float, average 4.12 million in trading, currently 20 million in trade. So, yeah. Yeah. We'll see. They all pumped out news. CMND pumped out news. This pumped out news. TOVX pumped out news. PBM, I don't know if it pumped out news or not, but I think PBM did. All right, so now your MACD's turning green. Let's see if the program will fire off a go. Man, oh God, these things are stacking up. 10,650 on the bid at 125. On the ask, you've got, I mean, they're stacked all the way through 136, 137. There's so much ask on this thing. Oh gosh. ENVB trying to break $4 again. I know. Skyquery. Angela, SKYQ. SKYQ, what would you like to know? Would you like to know if it can do what it did before? Well, you got to look at it this way. Is the straight opened up or is it blocked? What's the newest and greatest with what Trump said about the straight or the what the fake news is covering? Because even though it's fake news, hey, it's got a huge following, right? It's blocked, so SkyQ should come right back up. SkyQ should come back up. I'd say probably. I'd say if it doesn't buy market open, I think maybe it'll get back to 12. What's moving here? PBM? No, it's not PBM. Oh, IFRX jumped up for me here. Here's IFRX for you. I'm in it, as you can see. So I have 864 shares of this thing. I'm waiting for it to do something. And then I'm also in this stupid thing. This stupid thing. I'm down 140 bucks ISPC. Frickin' what a waste. Arr. Arr. Pat B 071. Is it blocked? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Oh man. Come on, PBM, get over 14 and run. Dun, 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 dun. See, fake breakout on CMND. The program knew it. The frickin' program knew it. That's awesome. And see, when you line up what the program shows you and then what the actual chart's showing you here, like it starts to make a lot more sense. I need to write that shit down. I need to write that shit down that actually worked. Time and everything. 752. And that triggered. So it said go. And then it said out 49. All right, guys, 5 minutes until I get off and I get out of here. And then I could put, what time was this MACD thing? That was 51. Sweet. This just gets us one step closer. One step closer to a solid work of art. uh, JTAI. Gosh, I wish I trusted you. I just can't. I can't bend my head around it. Just cannot. Yes, I can. Yes, sir. What is your Discord? Angela Langley. If you go to my website, well, actually, here, this makes it easy. So this is where the Discord's at, and this is where the watch list is at. If you guys want to join the Discord, you can meet me on the Discord. I do Discord lives and stuff like that for people that are on the Discord. Abu Adam, there you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you for pinning that. So yeah, so there you go. We're just watching. We're watching PBM. We're watching CMND, TOVX. We're watching a bunch of stuff. So I'll see you guys over at the Discord here at 5 a.m. I stay on there until about 6:30 a.m. And I think the coffee's starting to wear off because I'm getting sleepy. Oh boy. It's been a fun morning. That's for sure. Lots of fun stocks to watch. I need CMND to bounce off this volume weighted average price and go for that run. We'll call this a double bottom here off of the yellow line. All right, guys, but that's how you go. That's how you get it. Okay, go to jrockstocks.com. That's how you get it. All right, watch list from $39.99 down to $19.99. Comes out every Sunday through Thursday before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you want to know how it did, go to jrockstocks.com, click on track record, and that'll show you how the alerts are doing and how the watch list is doing. All right, there you go. No problem, Tommy Gun. No problem. I will see you guys on the Discord here in just a minute. And remember, there's only one Jrockstocks. I haven't seen Mitchell. What the heck? Where's Mitchell? Thank you guys for hanging out with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys over at the Discord. Thanks, Night Owl. Thanks for hanging out on YouTube. Appreciate you. And guys, don't forget to take your profits.